All right, good morning. Let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about solving equations with variables on both sides. So if you don't have your notes, please take them out. All right, let's start with an introduction question. We all know how to solve equations. The equations that we're used to are two steps. So let's start with a two-step equation. All right, so let's go with 2x plus 8 is equal to 14. The first thing that we do is we identify our variable term, and our variable term is 2x. The next thing we normally do is we try to get 2x on the side by itself. So we ask ourselves, what's making 2x not be on the side by itself? In this case, it's the 8. So we move the 8, and we do that by doing what? I can't hear you. Oh, subtracting. So we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. On this side, we will have 2x left. 2x is going to be equal to 6. This is connected through multiplication, so we do the opposite by dividing by 2. So x is going to be equal to 3. Our next step is to check it. But in this case, we can go ahead and check. And we'll check it using green, my favorite color, and Blake's favorite color. So we'll have 2 times 3 is equal to, oops, didn't mean to do that. 2 times 3 plus 8 is equal to, question mark, 14. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 8 is equal to 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 14 is equal to 14. So it checks. So this is our check. So let's move on to solving equations with variable on both sides. Just wanted to give y'all a recap of that. All right. Now we're about to get down. All right, so here goes. Let's take 4x. And we're going to do 4x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 14. Now, we're going to still start off the same way we did the other ones. The other one, we identify our variable term. But in this case, we have two variable terms. We have 4x and we have 2x. And then we have two number terms, which are 8 and 14. 4x is like, hey, 2x, come on over on this side with me. 8 is like, shoot, I'm uncomfortable over here with this 4x. 2x is like, yeah, let me go on over here to 4x. And 14 is like, 8, get your behind over here. So, with that said, we're going to move this 2x. We're going to do that by using subtraction. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. 4x minus 2x is going to give us 2x. We're going to end up with the plus 8. And that's going to be equal to the 14. Hey, look at that. Doesn't that look like the original problem solved? It does. You'll now solve it the same. 2x is now our variable term. So we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. going to end up with 2x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to 3. And so let's show the check of this problem. Four times 3 is equal to, keep doing that, 4 times 3 plus 8 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 14. I'm going to put a question mark here. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 8 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 plus 14. 12 plus 8 is 20. 6 plus 14 is also 20. So it checks out. You solved your first equation with variables on both sides.